Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of RD Industries Limited, one of India's leading players in circular economy, specializing in the environmentally responsible recovery and recycling of end-of-life energy storage products and non-ferrous scrap, while reclaiming critical resources from waste streams as per F&S report. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead manager and the company that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the Draft Red Herring Prospectus dated September 28, 2025 before taking an investment decision on the offer. RD Industries Limited's IPO consists of a fresh issue of up to equity shares of face value of 2 rupees, each aggregating up to 3,200 million rupees, and an offer for sale of 37,650,000 equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each. The company was incorporated on September 16, 1993, and its registered office is located at Mehroli, New Delhi, India. Our company specializes in manufacturing of pure lead and lead alloys that conform to international standards, with purity levels ranging from 99.97% to 99.985%. Our product portfolio comprises pure lead and lead alloys such as lead calcium alloys, lead antimony alloys, lead tin alloys, lead silver alloys, and lead cadmium alloys, which find applications in critical industries including energy storage, e-mobility, automotive and chemical, among others. As per F&S report, we are one of the fastest growing companies in terms of revenue amongst its peers, with a revenue CAGR of 33.15% in the last 3 fiscals. We own and operate a manufacturing facility of approximately 7.61 acres in district Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, with an installed capacity of 104,025 metric tons per annum. Our manufacturing facility is strategically located in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, on account of the presence of large battery manufacturers such as Amara Raja Energy and Mobility and other notable lead-acid battery manufacturers in our proximity. Our company has become one of the contributors to India's circular economy on account of its sustainable products and manufacturing processes. As of March 31st, 2025, we have served more than 50 customers across diverse industries, including battery and metal, both in the domestic and international markets. As of March 31st, 2025, we exported our products to customers based in 7 countries, including Singapore, Hong Kong, South Korea, Switzerland, United Arab Emirates, Japan, and United States of America. We have our brand RD listed on the MCX platform, which provides customers and commodity traders a platform to purchase and trade in our product, pure lead. Further, we have also made an application with the London Metal Exchange, LME, to list under RD Lead 9997. Listing on the LME will further establish our company's credibility and competitiveness in the international markets and provide global price benchmarking of our products. Investors should note the important risks such as we served 54, 54 and 42 customers during the fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023. The revenue from our top customer was 3,804.08 million rupees, 3,352.94 million rupees, and 3,530.33 million rupees, and contributed to 51.22%, 72.42%, and 85.73% of revenue from operations during the respective years. The loss of any of these customers could have a material adverse effect on our business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. During the fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023, 87.23%, 88.64% and 90.97% of our revenue from operations respectively was attributed to the battery and metal industries, and therefore our business operations are dependent upon the said industry. Any downturn in the demand of battery and metal industries and the other industries in which our customers operate could adversely affect our business, financial performance, and condition. We are subject to strict quality requirements and are required to incur significant expenses to maintain our product quality as per industry standards. Any failure to comply with such industry standards may lead to cancellation of existing and future orders, which may adversely affect our reputation, financial conditions, cash flows, and results of operations. We depend on third-party suppliers for the supply of raw material required for our business operations. Any disruptions in the supply or availability of the raw material or fluctuations in their prices may have an adverse impact on our business operations, cash flows, and financial performance. Further, our purchase of raw materials from our top 10 suppliers were 3,047.48 million rupees, 1,881.67 million rupees, and 1,879.65 million rupees, representing 53.71%, 51.06%, and 53.55% of our total purchases of raw materials in fiscals 2025, 2024, and 2023, respectively. We operate in a labor-intensive industry and dependent on contract labor for our manufacturing operations. In the event of non-availability of contract labor or increase in labor cost or any adverse regulatory orders or strikes or labor unrest, it may have a material adverse impact on our operations. Please read the risk factors beginning on page 37 of the DRHP for further information. The promoters of our company are Sandeep Agarwal, Nikunj Agarwal, and Isha Gupta. Our promoters in aggregate hold 254 million equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each in our company, representing 99.68% of the pre-issued, subscribed and paid up equity share capital of our company. 99.68% of the pre-issued, subscribed and paid up equity share capital of our company is held by the promoter selling shareholders, out of which Sandeep Agarwal and Nikunj Agarwal are selling 37,650,000 equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each. The board of directors of the company has 6 directors on our board, including 1 managing director, 2 whole-time directors, and 3 independent directors, out of which 2 are women directors. We have established a track of consistent revenue growth and profitability. Our revenue from operations increased from 4,117.78 million rupees in fiscal 2023 to 7,427.35 million rupees in fiscal 2025, while our profit after tax for the year increased from 85.67 million rupees in fiscal 2023 to 332.71 million rupees in fiscal 2025. Our EBITDA increased from 227.62 million rupees in fiscal 2023 to 659.34 million rupees in fiscal 2025. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including pages beginning from 252, for further information on financial performance. A summary of outstanding litigation proceedings involving our company, directors, promoters, key managerial personnel, and senior management in accordance with the SEBI ICDR regulations and the materiality policy, as of the date of this Draft Red Herring Prospectus. For further details, please see Outstanding Litigation and Material Developments, beginning on page 344 of the DRHP. The objects of the offer are to funding incremental working capital requirement of our company, repayment and/or prepayment, in full or in part, of certain borrowings availed by our company and general corporate purposes. For further details, please see Objects of the Offer, beginning on page 104 of the DRHP. IPO will be conducted through 100% book building process with allotment of not more than 50% of the offer to QIBs, not less than 15% of the offer to non-institutional bidders, and not less than 35% of the offer to retail individual bidders. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on the main board of BSE and NSE. Pantamath Capital Advisors Private Limited is the book-running lead manager. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the Draft Red Herring Prospectus, dated September 28, 2025, and any corrigendum and addendum thereto before taking an investment decision in the offer. Neither the company nor the promoter selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase, or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.